Hello everyone. In this video, we are studying about the cell receptor in a drug discovery. Cell receptor plays a crucial role in a drug discovery and development. They are protein located on the cell surface or inside the cell, and they play a significant role in a signal transduction and cellular response to various stimuli, including drugs. Understanding cell receptor and their interaction with drugs is essential for developing effective and targeted therapies. Here is a breakdown of their significance in a drug discovery and development. In that, first one is a drug target identification. Cell receptors are often the targets for the drug designed to treat specific diseases. Researchers identify receptors that are involved in the disease pathway and use them as a potential target for a drug intervention. Second one is a drug screening and lead identification. Once potential drug targets are identified, scientists use high throughput in screening techniques to test thousands of compounds for their ability to interact with the target receptor. This process helps to identify lead compounds that show promise in treating the disease. Next one is the understanding drug mechanism of action. Cell receptors are key players in a drug mechanism of action. By knowing which receptor a drug interacts with, researcher can better understand how the drug produces its therapeutic effect and potential side effect. Next one is the drug efficacy and specificity. Understanding the receptor drugs interaction help in designing drugs with high efficacy and specificity. Next is the drug efficacy and specificity. Understanding the receptor drug interaction helps in designing drug with high efficacy and specificity. Ideally, drugs should bind selectively to the target receptor, minimizing interaction with other receptors and reducing off-target effect. Next is a personalized medicine. Some individuals may have a genetic variation in their receptor, leading in a differences in a drug response. By studying the genetic makeup of patient, researcher can develop personalized medicine approaches based on specific receptor variations. Next is a drug optimization. Studying the receptor drug interaction allows medicinal chemists to optimize drug structure, enhancing their binding affinity to the target receptor and improving overall drug potency. Next is the safety assessment. Understanding the receptor profile of a drug helps assess the potential side effects and drug interactions. It enables to researcher to predict adverse reaction and design safer drugs. Drug resistance. Next part is a drug resistance. In some cases, drug resistance may develop when a drug interacts with a cell receptor. Understanding the mechanism of the drug resistance can lead. Next part is a receptor agonist and antagonist. Drug can act as either agonist, activating the receptor, or as an antagonist that blocking the receptor. Depending on the therapeutic goal, researcher design drugs that mimic or inhibit the natural ligand's action on the receptor. In that, the cell receptors are pivotal in a drug discovery and development as they provide valuable insights into drug target, mechanism of action, drug optimization, and personalized medicine. By understanding the receptor interaction, researcher can develop more effective and safer drugs to antagonist, blocking the receptor. Depending on the therapeutic goal, researcher design the drug that mimic or inhibit the natural ligand's action on the receptor. The cell receptor are the pivotal in a drug discovery and development as they provide valuable insights into the drug target, mechanism of action, drug optimization, and personalized medicine. By understanding the receptor interaction, researcher can develop more effective and safer drugs to treat various diseases. Thank you.